video.
Why?
Because we're going to see everyone's fat ass rims. Whoa.
Dude, did you see that kid was pointing? He's like, oh my God.
Him? Hold on. Zoom into him.
No, that guy right
Do
there.
it. Oh, okay. Never mind.
That kid right there. Oh my God, look at holy shit. Like he was like freaking out in that car. I was like, holy crap.
Why?
I don't know, you probably want to something on that. Ah, fucking sprinklers. Hate this goddamn
You're a Mexican.
Fuck you. You wish I was a Mexican.
On a donkey ride.
Whose favorite song did you say that was?
What? Noel.
She listens to Skid Row.
I thought that was a Bon Jovi song. The original one.
The Bald fucking weirdo.
I'm gonna keep this going until we get to 7-Eleven. Dude, you can totally see me in your glasses.
Wiener. Oh, that's a bitch.
So,
Big ass motherfucker. Fuck!
your phone got wet. Whoa, look at this hottie.
Oh my God, holy shit.
Right here. Did you see that black guy? Hey, that guy was fucking weird.
Oh, dude, that guy sucked my dick.
Really?
Oh, God.
Billy's a Mexican. And he likes to drop bombs like Hiroshima. I hope no one I know is out here.
Not everybody out here?
No.
How long is that video, dude?
It's been 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I feel bad for whoever watches this on YouTube all the way through.
Oh, wiener.
Do you know our other video? So far it's gotten 19 views and it's only been up for like 2 hours. Yeah. I know. I didn't get any rating, so I tried to rate it myself, but it didn't work.
Dude, what the fuck? Who would even want to watch this?
I don't
High
know.
people talking about some guys.
And you can't even understand my mom. Even Ryan couldn't understand it. That's hilarious. Dude, I really think he should save himself for a big black man, though. I could probably hook it up with Slam.
Dude, I'll get the black man, dude.
No, he can hook it. I can hook it up with Slam.
Dude, I'll hook him up with Jamal.
Who the fuck's Jamal? Really? You have an uncle named Jamal?
Dude, I'll totally slam them.
Oh, shit. Black out here is really fun. And that's the perfect opportunity to play that song. Just like any other.
Dude, what are you talking about? This is a scene kid.
Why am I scene kid?
You dress all scene, you do scene stuff.
This is not scene. That's
Yeah, I know. She looks like a scene kid, I know. 2 or 3. God gives 2 fucks.
Limpio la turbe protagna.
What the?
This beat's actually for show, really. Look at that hottie. Too bad it's too blurry when I zoom in that far.
That sucks.
Dude, check out that hottie. Dude, I smell like pee over here. That dude. I'm serious. I've been on this room for like 50 years. Huh? Dude, can we eat nachos in front of the 7-Eleven?
What?
Can we eat nachos in front of the 7-Eleven?
In front of the 7-Eleven?
Yes, because I don't feel like walking. Because I don't feel like walking. And since we're going to have more nachos later, it makes more sense.